This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing about self-join. What is a self-join? A table which is joined itself. A table which is joined itself is known as a self-join. What is the meaning of table joining itself? See, that is, what is the meaning of this line is we can write join condition based on single table. We can write join condition based on single table. This is called as self join actually. In which case we will do this self join? See, very simple example let me consider. What is your table data? Set line size 200 and let me select employee data. Select star from EMP. This is the data. Fine. What is my target? Get employee details of Smith. Get employee details of Smith. How to get? See, first let me type the question here. Get Smith details. If anybody is asking like this, we will write very simple query. Select star from EMP where E name is equal to Smith. You got the information. Somebody is asking like this. That is, get employee details. Listen carefully. Get employee details who is working like Smith. Who is working like Smith. So many records in the table. We don't know what is the job of Smith. But you should get information based on Smith. Okay. See, if I write like this previous query, you are getting only Smith data. But what is our requirement? Get employee records who is working like Smith. So first find out Smith. From that Smith record, find out his job. The job of Smith compared with all employee jobs. The job of Smith compared with all employee jobs. So Smith is a clerk. Clerk equal to clerk. Get this record. Again clerk equal to clerk. Get this record. And again clerk equal to clerk. Get James record. And also get Miller record. You are comparing Smith job value with all employee jobs. One value compared with all values in another table, which is nothing but join operation. One value compared with all values in other table is known as join operation. So here you are performing join operation in the single table. Generally, if you want to write a join query, we need two tables and also we need one common column between the two tables. But here I want to get details from only one table, that is EMP. So how should I perform the join operation? In this case, hold on guys, 1 minute. Okay. So how to write a join condition on single table? Generally, we are unable to write. So in this case, what should we do? See, I want to maintain two alias names. We will consider two alias names for one single table. What is our table name? Employee table. Consider two alias names. See, I want to show you here like this. Just hold on. Let me copy. Yes, I want to copy this data. Again, let me copy. Mark. Go to here. Copied. Come to here. See here. This is one table. Consider this as one alias name. And here another alias table. Consider this as another table. So here, what is my table name? EMP. For the EMP, I am maintaining two copies. How to maintain two copies? This is E1 alias name. This is E2 alias name. So both tables, both alias names are considered from one physical table. Both alias names are considered from one physical table. Now what is my work? See, what is our requirement? Get employee details. Who is working like Smith? Who is working like Smith? In this case, do you have two tables? Yes. And do you have at least one common column? Yes. Now you are able to write join query. First of all, go to first alias table. In the first alias table, identify Smith. Identify Smith. So how to identify Smith? Here I am writing conditions where E1 dot, E1 is first alias name. E1 dot ename is equal to Smith. Okay. Yes, Smith is there. From the matched record, from the same alias table, from the matched record, take the job of employee. So from same alias table, consider the job value from matched record. So E1.job is compared with E2.job. So actually for these two conditions, for the first condition, what is the matched record here? The matched record is this. From the matched record, what is the job value you are considering? Job value you are considering is clerk. That is compared with all job values in second table. Each job value in second table. Okay, like this you are comparing the job values. E1 dot job is comparing with all jobs under E2. So like this continue. Where is the matched record? See, here are the matched records. This is one matched record, and here one matched record, here one matched record, and here also one matched record. So how many matched records are there? 4. Okay, in the first alias table only one matched record, that is this one. Understand? In the second alias table you have required matched records. So according to these two conditions, we found the matched data. That matched data I want to display from second alias table. So how to select? Select E2 dot star from EMP E1 comma EMP E2. So this is your final query. Understand? So if you want to get data from single table, but you are unable to get data directly by using where condition. So in that case, we will consider two alias names. Each alias name internally maintains a copy of physical table data. Based on these two alias names, we can write a join condition and also filter conditions. Clerk is having 3. Didn't get you, Munir. Come again. In the first alias table, E1 table, clerk is having 3. Means you are looking for clerk. Don't look for clerk. You should see in the first alias table, first we should identify Smith only. So once Smith was found, here is the Smith record. Here is our Smith record. From this matched record, I am considering job value. You are thinking about job. Assume that you don't know what is the job of Smith. It is a small table. That's why immediately you are identifying job value. But in case of millions of records, it is not possible to find out Smith. So what? See, job, whatever the job it is, don't mind about it. First, think what is your requirement. Get employee details working like Smith. What is input value? Smith. It is ename. You have input value ename. Based on that, you should write a condition. You should not write a condition based on job. In this requirement question, you don't have any other job value. Only you have input value ename. Based on ename, you should find out the clerk. Means you should find out the job. And suppose if there are more than one Smith is there, then you don't get requirement like this. You know how to get requirement? Get employee details. Who is working like employee ID 7369? Who is working like employee ID 7369? How many times employee ID will be appear? Only one time. So that employee definitely working with one job. That job should be compared with E2. So hope you understand. Actually, self-join is not that much of important. Why? Because whatever the result you are getting from self-join, we can get same output by using subqueries. So don't concentrate too much on self-join, but you have to know what is self-join, why are you writing self-join, compulsory, right? So in case of self-join, what is happening? Only one table is there, that is joined itself. Why? Because both alias names are having same columns. So based on alias names, we will write join condition. Okay, and remember, in case of self join, we should get output from second table only, second alias table only. Select alias 2 dot star. Why? Say here, how many matched records in the second alias table? 4. How many matched records in the first alias table? 1. Understand? Only you are looking for Smith in the first alias table. But in the second alias table, according to job of Smith, you have 4 matched records. So you should display 4 records from E2. E2 means second alias table. Don't display data from first alias table. If you display data from first alias table, then you will get Smith record 4 times. Why? Because Smith record is the only matched record in the first alias table. Okay, let me show you the practical example here. Come to here. So let me write the query. Select second alias table E2 dot star from EMP E1 comma EMP E2, where under E1 first find out input value. What is input value? E name Smith. And in the same alias table, means under E1, from the matched record, according to this condition, what is matched record? This is matched record. From the matched record, take the job value that should be compared with all job values in second alias table. Now see. So you are getting employees who is working like Smith. Smith is working like clerk. So it is displaying all clerk's details. Okay. Suppose, sir, if I take data from first alias table, same query. If I get output from first alias table, what is the output? See, if you take data from first alias table, you will get duplicate data. You did not get required data. See, you are getting Smith record 4 times. It's not your required output. So in case of self join, always display output from second alias table. Remember this point. Next one. So same type of query, I am giving one more. Get employee details who is working like 7654. Who is working like employee ID 7654. I don't know who is 7654, and we don't know what is the job of 7654. Understand? See. So you are getting data from single table or multiple tables? Single table. If you are using simple where clause condition, you don't get your output. So you must use self join. So select E2 dot star from EMP E1, same query. Again EMP E2, where E1 dot employee number is equal to 7654, and if there is 7654, take his job. E1 dot job is equal to E2 dot job. So 7654 is Martin. He is working as a salesman. So get all salesmen. Hope you understand. Next example, see, let me change a small, one more, changing little bit requirement. Get employee details who is working in a department where King is working. King is one employee name. Suppose King is working under 20th department, get all 20th department details. I don't know where is King working. Okay, let me write select star from EMP. Select E2 dot star from EMP E1 comma EMP E2, where E1 dot E name is equal to King. Okay. Suppose King is there. Definitely he will working under department number, right? So, and from the matched record, take department number that should be compared with all department numbers under E2. See, King is working under 10th department. King is working under 10th department. So you are getting data from 10th department. Okay, right. So based on one input value, you are finding another column value in the same table. Based on other column value, you are getting data from the same table again. In such a case, we will use self join. Let me take one more example. Suppose select star from, okay, there is a table customer details. I don't want to show the data. If I show the data, you will be confused. See, there is a table cust underscore details, and there is a customer Vinod. Vinod is living under one city. I want to display customer details. I want to display customer details who is living in a city where Vinod is living. Again, get customer details from the city where Vinod is living. Get customer details from the city where Vinod is living. So see, select C2 dot star from customer details C1, comma, customer details C2, where C1 dot CNAME is equal to Vinod. In my table, data is small case. That's why I am giving Vinod in small case. And take Vinod city from the same table. That is compared with all cities in C2. See, Vinod is living under Delhi. So all customers from Delhi it is displaying. Understand? So this is about self join. So what is a self join? A table which is joined itself is known as a self join. We can also say like this. The meaning of that line is we can write a join condition based on single table. Generally, we are unable to write like that. So what is the solution for that? We should consider two alias names for the same table. Based on alias names, we will write a join condition. Next type of join is outer joins. What is outer join? What is equijoin? It will display matched data from the multiple tables based on join condition. Based on join condition, equijoin display matched data from multiple tables. Then what is outer join? See, outer join display all data from one table. All the data from one table. It will not worry about join condition or any other filter condition. It will not check any filter condition. It will not check any join condition on one table. So get all the data from one table. But before getting data from second table, it will verify filter conditions and also it will verify join conditions. According to your conditions, it will take only matched data from second table. Again, I am repeating. What is outer join? Outer join will display all data from one table, only matched data from another table. Here you should remember 2 points. In any outer join query, again I'm writing in any outer join query, in between table names, we should specify type of outer join. Like inner join. Two tables are there. In between tables, what you are writing? Inner join. And also one more condition. Join condition is specified under on clause. Join condition is specified under on clause, where clause is not working. Now, how many types of outer joins we have? 3 types. Left outer join, we can also say left join. Right outer join, we can also write right join. And full outer join, we can also use the keyword full join. Again, I am repeating 3 types of outer joins: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. What is left outer join? See, in case of left outer join, in between the table names, you should specify left outer join keyword or left join keyword. What it will display? What type of join it is? Outer join. What is the nature of outer join? Get complete data from one table and only match data from other table. So according to that, it will display all the data from left table and only match data from right side table. Right outer join, it will display all the data from right side table and only match data from left table. Next one, full outer join, it will display matched data from both tables and also unmatched data from left table and also unmatched data from right table. Here I am writing one interview question. Be careful, guys. What is the difference between full outer join and cross join? One of the most important interview question. In case of cross join, you are getting all the data from two tables. In case of full outer join also, you are getting all the data from two tables. Then what is the difference between full outer join and cross join? See, okay, later we will discuss. First, let me go for no duplicate data, Vijay. It will not display any duplicate data under full outer join. Yes, see here. First, left outer join. Display complete data from left table, only match data from right side table. So to understand this concept, let me create two tables. Select star from EMP-CP. Okay, table is not there. So I want to create two tables, DEPT-CP and EMP-CP. Select star from DEPT-CP. Okay, it is not there. So create table DEPT-CP as select star from DEPT. From department table, I am creating DEPT-CP. Nothing is there. I don't want to disturb employee table data. That's why I am creating employee table copy and department table copy. That's all. Now, another one. Create table EMP-CP as select star from EMP. So same data is copied into EMP-CP. Here I am making some changes. update EMPCP, set department number equal to null, where department number equal to 30. You are making department number 30 as null, means you are deleting department number 30. 6 rows updated. And also I want to delete some columns. How to delete columns? Alter table EMPCP, drop column. The column name is MGR, first one. Second one is commission. I don't need commission also. Third one is join date, means hire date. I don't need. Right? Modified. After modification, select data from DEPTCP. Select star from DEPTCP for records. Select star from EMPCP. This is the data. Some people working under any one department, some people not working under any department. Okay. Here I am starting with inner join. Next I will go into left outer join. After that we will go into right outer join. After that we will discuss about full outer join. Listen carefully. See, first inner join. I am applying inner join between above two tables. So select star from EMPCP E, inner join DEPTCP D, on. Inner join only working with on class. E dot department number is equal to D dot department number. How many records in the employee table? 14 records. But how many records in the output? Only 8 records are having matched value. Out of 14 employees, only 8 employees are having matched department number. Remaining 6 employees don't have matched department number, so they are eliminated. And see, in the department table, actually we have 4 departments. But see this part here, all of you guys see this part here, department information. In the department information, you are getting only 2 departments, department number 20 and department number 10. It is not displaying 30 and 40 because under 30 and 40 there are no employees. Okay, 2 records eliminated from DEPTCP, 6 records eliminated from EMPCP. Why? There is no matched value. This is inner join. Let me apply. At the place of inner join, let me use left outer join. What is left table? EMPCP. Right table? DEPTCP. From the left table, it will display all records. From the right side table, it will display only matched records. See, right side table, 4 different departments, but you will get only 2 departments. In the left table, 14 records are displayed. See, in the left table, from the left table, you will get complete records. In case if employee working in a department, then get his department information. If he is not working, then get his personal information. So this type of information you don't get under inner join. Remember. What is right outer join? See, if I apply right outer join here, then you can see all departments, but from the left table only 8 employees having matched value. You will get only 8 records from left table. See, let me execute. So only 8 employees who is having matched value, that records only shown from left table. But from the right side table, you can see all records. At last you are seeing 2 records also, but they don't have any matched value. In case if I apply full outer join, so you can write full outer join keyword or full join keyword. So run it. What is full outer join? Matched data from both tables. Matched data from both tables. These combinations are matched data from both tables. Okay. So see, these 2 employees don't have any matched value. Still they are displaying, means unmatched records from left table. Simple, nothing, just tell me one point. If there is a matched value, you can see combination. If there is no matched value, you can see personal information. That's all. So the people who have no matched value, then it is displaying personal information also. And see, in the right side table, 40 and 30, no matched value, but still it is displaying about only department information. But here you should find out one thing. It will never display any invalid combination. Full outer join never display any invalid combination. Understand? But cross join, it will display invalid combinations also. Cross join, the difference between full outer join and cross join is full outer join display valid combinations and only unmatched records from left table, only unmatched records from right table. Okay, fine. But never it will show invalid combinations, full outer join. But cross join will display all combinations, valid combinations and also invalid combinations. That is the difference between full outer join and cross join. Now, let me explain another one. Here, there is a table, customer details. Select star from customer details. These are the customers. Okay. And these customers are having the accounts like below. Select star from customer accounts details. This is the data. See, 110 having account, 111 has account, 112 two accounts, 113 having account, 114 has account, 115 also having account, but 116 don't have any account. Now see, what is my requirement? At what case we will choose outer join? Get all customer details and also if a customer has account, then display his account number, account type and account balance. This is my requirement. We don't worry about customer has account or not, but I want to see all customers information. In case if customer has account, then display his account information also. See, in such a case we will use outer joins. Select cd.star, comma, cad.account number, cad.account type, and also cad.account balance from customer details cd. From the left table, customer details is the left table, so use join left join customer account details cad on cd.cno equal to cad.cno. Join condition is common for any type of query. So hit enter. See, from the customer table, it is displaying last record. Even that customer has no account. He has no matched value. Still it is displaying because of outer join. Suppose you are a group of persons in a locality. All of you, 100 people are there. All the people applied for PAN card. All the people applied for PAN card or Aadhaar card or any one card, something. Okay. After some time, I want to see all the people details. I want to see all people details first. And also, if any person already received PAN card, display his PAN card number and issued date. Issued date and received date. If a person don't receive PAN card right now, display his personal data. If a person already received PAN card, display his personal data along with the PAN card number, issued date and also received date. In such kind of scenarios, we will apply outer joins. Hope you understand. Okay. Now, what is my next target is, listen carefully. Get all types of accounts offering by bank. I need all types of accounts. And also, if any account type has a customer, then display customer name, account number, balance. It's a very, very, very important example for you. Be careful. Wait. This is your, okay, hold on. This is your related example. What is your requirement? First, see here. Get all types of accounts offering by bank. See, I need the list of all account types. In case if any account type has a customer, then display customer name, account number, balance. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of accounts bank is offering here. But the customers existed for only 3 types of accounts. SB, FD, CA. Even though I want to see list of all account types. If any account type has a customer, suppose SB is there, it has customer. So SB has this customer and this customer. If any account type has a customer, then display the customer name. And 114, who is that customer? Customer name and corresponding account numbers and also corresponding balances. Means from the right side two tables, from these two tables, remember, from these two tables, we want to display matched data. But from this table, I want to display complete data. To display complete data, we will use outer join. To display matched data, we must use equijoin. Equijoin display matched data. But equijoin working with where class? Outer join working with on class. Both are not compatible. What should I do? Along with outer join, we should use inner join at the place of equijoin. Why? Because inner join working with on class, outer join is also working with on class. That's why. I hope you understand why you are learning inner join right now. Now, let me write the query. See. First, what do you want to display? All types of accounts offering by bank. AT.star, comma. If any account type has a customer, then display customer name. CD.cname. This is the order of columns in the output. Remember, comma. CAD.account number. CAD.account balance. From three tables you are getting data. Okay. So what we have to do? See, whenever you are applying outer joins and equijoin, mix it together. Always prefer inner join first. At last apply outer join. Why? Because if you first apply outer join, it will take all the data from one table. But unmatched data is filtered by later inner join. So if it is filtering unmatched data, you don't get your required output. So first apply inner join from which tables you are expecting matched data. See, from this table and from this table we are expecting matched data. From this table and from this table we are expecting matched data. Right? See, from customer details CD inner join customer account details CAD. On which basis? CD.cno is equal to CAD.cno. The join condition is common. So from this result, I need matched data. And from the next table, I need all the data. So which type of outer join? Display matched data from left table and display all the data from right side table. Right outer join. Right outer join. Here we are using account types. From this table we are expecting all the records. But from the left side, see this query result is known as left side table data. From this left side output, I need only matched data. So apply right outer join. So it will get matched data from here, all the data from here. What is the join condition? What is the join condition? See, this is completed, right? And here this is a table. What is the common column between this table and between these two tables? Common column, account type. Account type. Okay, come to here. CAD dot account type is equal to AT dot account type. Enter. What is your requirement? See, compare the result with your question. Get all types of accounts offering by bank. Are you getting all types of accounts or not? Yes. And also, if any account type has a customer, get his name, account number, balance. Yes, you are getting. So if you want to understand framing of joins queries, you need more and more practice, more and more understandability of the requirement. That is very, very important for understanding joins. Right? This is about outer joins. So up to this, joins concept is completed. Thoroughly prepare, and if you have any questions, ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to start subqueries. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.